This is Professor Derek Seitz. Inverse z-score. This video shows how to calculate an inverse z-score using Microsoft Excel. An inverse z-score is where you know the z-score for a data item, but you don't know what data item has that z-score. X is the raw data value that you're interested in that will be computed by this spreadsheet. The three blue cells, you have to enter the mean of the data set. In this case, the mean mu is 9. The standard deviation sigma for this example is 2. And the z-score is 2. Remember that z-scores can be positive or negative depending on what side of the mean you're on. We have a positive z-score of 2. Down here, the raw data value, the x, is calculated using the inverse formula from the z-score formula. In this case, it takes B2, which is the mean, and adds B1, which is the z-score, times the standard deviation. And it comes up with 13, being 2 standard deviations away from the mean. Each standard deviation is 2. 2 of them is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. We want to find a x for a negative z-score. Let's take a z-score of negative 1.5. And then we get the corresponding x value of 6, which is to the left of the mean.